I can't believe it is time. It is here. It has happened. We've got long travel suspension in the friggin' house. LSR, baby. Lonestar Racing. I am frickin' pumped. You have no idea how hard it was for me not to open those boxes yesterday. Got home from work early just to get them from FedEx. Pull them in the garage. I'm all pumped up, getting the knife, about to open them. No, man, I've been talking about this forever. Everybody's been waiting to see this. You guys have been hearing me talk about doing this for so long. Know it was coming. I felt like I had to do a classic unboxing video. Not installing it today, but we're going to open this up and see what this is all about. I can't freaking wait. I'm so damn excited. So I'll give you one guess as to the color I chose. Otherwise, let's freaking tear these things open and check it out. Tie rods. Yes. Oh man. That is gonna be so pretty. Look at that. I went with high gloss black, man. Wow. These are freaking substantial. So freaking thick. Surprisingly friggin' light. Yes. Oh man. Oh, it looks so good. So freaking stout. Holy crap. Wow, I'm really pretty pumped that I went with gloss black now. God, it looks good. This is gonna look insane. This is gonna look so good. I mean, how freaking nice does that look? It is substantial. Like, even in pictures, from all the pictures I've seen of it on Instagram and stuff, I mean, you're looking at it and it doesn't look that robust, you know? Then when you look at it in person, man, it is a freaking piece of hardware. Holy crap. Rear radius rod plate. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, stickers. That's nice. Pretty sure that's everything. Right, this is really what I want to see. Don't get me wrong, those freaking A-arms are really impressive, but we know these are gonna look good. Oh yeah, oh yes. Oh dude, oh wow. What a freaking piece of equipment. Radius rods. Woo. Oh, dude. Amazing. Amazing. It is so beautiful. I just want you to see this. It is so freaking nice. I mean, not that we didn't know it was going to be, but holy crap, look at that back end. Is that not freaking sexy or what? Woo! What a beautiful freaking trailing arm. Holy crap. All right, we'll get the rest of this stuff out. Show what you guys all lined up. Wow. I cannot explain to you enough. I cannot relay through video how nice all these parts are. I mean, they are so thick. Just so clean, so heavy duty. Man. Yes, sir. It's finally freaking happening. I can't wait. The whole car is transforming tomorrow. It's going into pure race mode. And it's going to be epic. I can't even really imagine what it's going to look like. Like I can, but I can't, you know? It's going to be something else, man. Anyways, I couldn't do that without you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this really short unboxing video. The videos don't do it justice as far as the parts. And once we get the car out of the garage and into the sand, which is happening like before you know it, get this thing in sunshine and get some great pictures, great video of it. And obviously we're going to test the living crap out of this stuff. I can't wait. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video because this thing's going to be, it's going to be done. It's going to be ready to go. All right, bye.